What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Rice Rocketeer. I'm down here by Chinatown-ish. I'm at this place here, Lauralee. Tis a beer garden. I got no business being here because I don't drink anymore. But my girlfriend's here for a happy hour after work. So I'm picking her up, and I figured what better chance to try out the direct mic plug-in solution. So I did a little series on this when I got it with this new camera, and I was trying to use the wireless mic, the DJI Mic 2, in my pocket, or in my helmet first, then in my pocket. I couldn't get the audio to work, so I resorted to the good old big wind muffler on the camera, and then a wired mic for my audio. It's okay, and it gives me a lot of creative control because I can kind of change the volume of my voice and the bike. However, it's a whole thing. So for these simpler shoes, I would much prefer just plug straight into the camera and be done with it. So I have the DJI Osmo adapter for the wire plug-in to the side of the camera, which you can't see. Actually, hold on. I got that thing. And I got my mic is wired through the helmet already, so I'm just gonna plug directly in. I'm gonna try doing a little talking on the way home and see how it captures my voice and the sound of the bike. I have the camera set to -20 decibels. I think this is the second Action 5 Pro. The first one broke, so the first one I don't remember being able to go -20. But now I can, so that's what I've set it to. I'm hoping it's gonna capture my voice and some of the bike in the background. I think it's a problem because of my exhaust. Exhaust kind of blows it out. But anyway, I don't really have much to share, so I'm just gonna kind of spin my wheels. But I will say, you know what? I'm gonna save it for the test. So stick around and find out. My drunk little friend. You're wasted. What's up? How you doing? Say hello to the subscribers, to the fans. What's up? Helmet, girlfriend, motorcycle. We're good to go. Ooh, another motorcycle. All right, I'm gonna strap the camera up and we're gonna go. All right, guys. This is Christie Street, Christie and something. Guys, this is this Freeman Alley right here. There's a restaurant at the end of it. I went there 10 years ago, had a terrible experience, but restaurant is really cool. Like the location's really cool. I'll post a photo on the screen. I do want to go back and try it out because 10 years is a long time to change. So looks like kids are doing some cool TikTok or something. I don't know. I'm too old for that. This is going to be a short video, guys. I don't have a lot to say, and we don't have a long commute going straight back to Brooklyn. Ha da. Alright, guys, testing. Alright, so the problem I had the first time was I couldn't get a good sound of the bike or my voice. Both blew out, and obviously because it's on one track, the audio of both the environment and my voice kind of melded together, so you can't really change the levels of anything independently. That will still be the case now. However, this is my second DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Jesus Christ, I hate that name. It's the second one. The first one, the front screen cracked, so I sent it in, and I got a new one in return. The first one, it was like it only went to -12 for the gain. So you can adjust the gain of the input of the microphone when you have an external mic plugged in, and I was only able to get to -12. The settings only let me to -12, unless I'm totally misremembering, but I'm damn sure that that's the case. Now I'm at -20, so maybe there's a software update. Maybe the camera I had was like oddly old or something. I don't know, but I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping that -20 means that it's actually -20, and I'll be able to hear my voice. That's my grand hope. There we go. That's how you do it, guys. Force it. Oh, come on, limo. Cybertruck. Boo. That's how I feel. Sorry. It would be really funny if the person who owns that truck sees this video. Lego. I mean, seriously, out of all the Teslas, like, I got no problem with the other Teslas. Like, they look fine. I mean, you know, that, though, it's like, why would you make that? I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't think it was ever, I don't think it was popular when it came out, either, so, I don't know. Actually, what was funny was there's a, what was it? Oh, was it a test ride? I was coming from Mineola Moto. One of my videos where I commented on a Tesla. I made some comment. It wasn't even the one where I like really went in on it. It was just the one that I was like, oh, fuck you, Tesla. And then somebody commented, like, somebody was greatly offended by that. And they were like, I didn't come here for that. I can't remember what the comment is. I'm going to try to find it and post it for you. I'm going to try to find it and post it for you guys. But I was like, really? Like, that's how sensitive we're being these days? Like, I don't like Tesla, and you find that, and you're going to stand up for Tesla? Like, yeah, I don't know. It was just odd to me. I was like, there's plenty of other stuff that I said off the cuff that makes sense. Oh my God. What? Sexual harassment? Okay, now I got to lose weight. Funny enough, I wasn't doing the bike thing, but on the way in, a car, like, when I was on the bridge, like, ripped past me, so I kept up with them, and I gave him a little throttle in. I don't ever do that, but I don't know. I wasn't gonna take it, guys. Rise Rocketeers had enough. Alright, this is the real test. Alright, let's take the outside because it's too gorgeous not to see the sun. To be trapped in that black hole. No thank you. Oh man, look at this. This is the backrest part. This is what I love about having a pillion on this bike. I got full-on armchair behind me. It's gonna be a big bump coming up. I'm letting you know. What a beautiful day! Yay! Okay, so quick update, guys. My channel has been kind of all over the place, and I truly apologize. I've been spending most of my time on my triple and enjoying it. And I think most people were happy to see the triple come back. Anyway, my channel's gonna be kind of like that for the time being, for reasons that you all probably know already. Kind of in limbo in my career. I have two motorcycles, vastly different in style. I like different types of riding, and I want to get into like the everyday vlog thing, right? So I'm kind of all over the place, and that's just what this channel's going to be. But you will get a lot of NYC motorcycle riding, I can promise you that. So I think most of you come here for the street triple, well, motorcycles in general, the street triple more specifically, and the experience of riding through NYC as like an overarching theme. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. You will get all of that. It just, the channel as a whole might not be as cohesive as it once was. That is a warning, that is an apology, that is a disclaimer, so you all know where I'm at and what's coming in the tail end of 2025. Now, as for the everyday vlog thing, I shot for 4 days back to back and edited within those days. If this channel could support me financially, that's what I do. And I would push myself to go do weird things, meet different people, do all this stuff every single day. However, this channel does not support my life financially. I wish it did, but it doesn't. I spent literally 20 hours of that day doing everything. So, and then I had to think of more stuff. So, like, it is literally a full-time job, and I'm not going to be able to keep up a once-a-day vlog unless the quality goes down drastically, which you all might not even think I'm that high quality now anyway. So I don't want to muddy the waters. I don't want to water down the product, so to speak. So I'm gonna do, I think, still every other day, 3 times a week for now. I'm gonna shoot for every other day, and I want to incorporate more than just the motorcycle rides in the video. I want to do a little, you know, meet and greet with people, go to restaurants, do different things that are interesting to people who maybe don't live here. So that's the plan. Yeah. That's the update for the channel, guys. I'm gonna post this. I'm also in this spot where it's like the I'm so far out with videos, like, because I haven't had a job. I've just been riding and shooting, which is great, but I have so much footage, and a lot of it's good, and I just like editing. So it's like I keep making these videos, but the problem is I'm like 2.5 to 3 weeks out on content. So again, every little comment you guys have about, like, oh, maybe try this, or I see those and I take them really seriously, and I write them down. Actually, I have a list of things to work on and research based on comments that I get from you guys. However, you will not see the effects of those things for like 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm working on shortening that gap. So I've kind of slowed the amount that I'm shooting, but it's so nice out. I'm riding all the time, so I'm shooting all the time. Oh, it's a problem, guys. So again, I just don't want you all to think I don't listen to you guys. I absolutely do. When you see 2 or 3 videos back to back from triple and twisties, that's likely 1 or 2 days worth of shoots that were 1 day apart from each other. So like I didn't hear your comments. I didn't have enough time to. I didn't even hear your comments yet, and the few videos following are directly after the day that you commented on. So I just wanted to explain that and let you all know I do listen, and I do value all of you guys commenting and helping me out. Because Lord knows I need it out there, guys. I'm making very slow progression. Playing a dangerous game. Dangerous game. And I guess it will have been, let's see, 2 days ago, or it will have been this past week that I posted the crash that I had, which wasn't a drastic crash. I know it's not really. I was trying not to be clickbaity, but I did fall, and that was like due to target fixation and going too fast and not doing what I should. So it will have been this past week that I fell. So a lot of the comments that you guys gave me, I was reading those comments before this video even came out, and I'm like, oh boy, I now know this. I wish I had time to enact it, the suggestions and the comments that you guys gave me. But live and learn. I'm going to work on shortening this gap very shortly, so it's a little less removed, you know. But that's my update for the channel, guys. I'm posting this on Sunday for damn sure, and that's kind of going to be a current. When you see this video, this is a very up-to-date, like very fresh, up-to-date thing. This is not a delayed video. The content surrounding it is, but this is not. And hopefully the mic works, because if not, I'm just talking to myself at this point. That would be a tragedy. That would not be good. Anyway, actually, I'll give it a little, for the last leg of this ride, I'm going to give open visor attempt and see how the sound comes through. Visor is now open. Back on the home stretch. Oh, but with the visor open, I can't see anything. What do I do? Come on, light. Oh, ask and you shall receive. Oh, not paying attention, my friend. Got a couple brothers right over here. What do we got? Hurly durly, hurly durly, hurly durly. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, what are you doing? Orange! Oh, we made it. Alright. And that concludes the video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. We're back in our hometown, Brooklyn. Shout out to Brooklyn. You okay? Are you alive? I appreciate it. The backrest thing. Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I will catch you on the next one. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already. I will greatly appreciate it. Like the video if and only if you like it, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.